Kinubo ako. Sorry, guys.
May pulbos ka pa yata sa...
Oh, may pulbos pa ako. Concert po ng The Company. Please watch The Company at 25. Isang pasasalamat on January 21 and 22, 8 p.m. at the Sanctuary Building, Makati. With guests, myself, Christian Bautista, and Basil Valdez. Manood po kayo.
Yep. And happy birthday nga pala kay Kuya Carl, our researcher. Happy birthday to you, Kuya Carl! And mga teammates, it's time to get creative dito sa ating fan art segment. Kasama natin ang mga teen artists na sina Donald, we got Chinchin, and Charmaine. Now, Charmaine, sino ba yung, ano ba yung fan art mo?
Hey, Fritzy!
Yay, Fritzy!
Charmaine, kung si Fritzy ang pinaka-paborito mong babae sa shoutout, sino ang pinaka-paborito mong lalaki?
Ikaw, tsaka si Jay!
Dahil dyan, meron ganon. Donald! Parang bagong haircut ni, dito ni Ryan, no? May bagong haircut. Dito, tingnan mo mo.
Oh, ayos yan.
Medyo nag-senical siya. Medyo ayos. Ito!
Ikaw naman,
We
Chichi.
got Chinchin.
Para kanina yan. Ulit.
Para po sa mga T-Moms.
Thank you. Para sa amin ba yan? Kami ba yan? Wow.
Tingnan mo si Ken, long hair, oh.
Thank you. Ang ganda. Ang gaganda talaga ng ating mga fan art from our teammates. Palakpakan natin sila.
At syempre, ang pinaka-bonggang creative sa lahat
Ang
na
dami yun,
mananalo sa ating contest ay si... Chinchin!
Congratulations! Nanalo ka ng gift back from
Shout out! Ayan.
Yan, oh.
Congratulations. Ito naman, ang hatol ng I Dare Laugh-A-LoozA Challenge sa aming mga teammates. Ang team na nanganganib ay ang Team Two's Delicious at Team Hosts with 22 points each. Ako, Robbie, delikado pala tayo.
Hindi, pero alam mo, Sam, may tiwala ako kay Erich. I'm sure hindi tayo ipapahiya ni Erich, kaya panoorin na natin ang I Dare Laugh-A-LoozA Challenge Video Play Now!
Ready na ba kayo para sa huling hirit ng ating inaabangang segment this week? Ito na ang final rounds ng ating I Dare, the Laugh-A-LoozA Challenge.
Peace be with you. Welcome to my yoga class. Okay, now squat.
Hello?
Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Give me your hand. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? This is an eternal flame. Do you feel the same? Am I only dreaming? In yoga class, you have to control yourself. Now, try to open your eyes without the eyeballs, like this. Okay. Again, close your eyes. Give me your hand. Do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? Or is it eternal flame? I've always been a client of a blind masseur. Every time I go to the blind masseur, he always tells me, see you soon. Love is blind. And so are we. So are we, the three blind mice. That is yoga. I have to go now and free myself from the bad spirits. Away, 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 away. Hello, class. Welcome to ballet. Okay, everyone now position at the ballet bar. Is that what you call it? Ballet bar. Okay, everyone. Okay, follow me. Like pick and up. Put it there. Some more. Put it back. And extension. Who knows the leg extension? Yes.
Do it first or we follow you.
My leg is short. It can only do this. Like this, okay? Imagine yourself you are in a jewelry box. Then, that's the Issei ballet, okay? I'll teach you a different ballet. Like this. Then put the car in the parking space. That's ballet. Ballet, ballet, ballet. Now, when you get out of the car, leg extension and split. Very nice. I have to go.
Congratulations, Team Miyerkulits! Ligtas kayo this week dahil winner si Kiray. Sorry, Team Hosts, talo kayo sa katuwaan natin this week. Kayo ang mapaparusahan. Better luck next time, guys! Abangan ulit next week ang bagong pakulo ng iDare.
Malinaw na malinaw! What? Team host!
Wag muna guys, wag muna. Let's save it for later. Wag muna muna. Tipping. Tapos muna.
Malinaw na malinaw.
Wag muna.
Team host ang natalo kaya. Ito na,
Oo.
time na. Fall in line, guys!
Alright,
Para sa
alright.
inyong punishment!
Ito, tanongan natin si Kencho kasi Aaron. How does it feel na finally talo kayo?
Masaya kami, masaya!
Guys, wag muna. Maraming salamat teammates for watching our very first All-Star TJF for 2011. Ino?
Next week, kita-kits ulit for more kantahan, sayawan at kulita! Dito lang sa official Harang ng Kabataan Pinas! Para sa